Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change the aspect ratio on CapCut Mobile. The first thing we need to do is open up the CapCut app and then go to the project whose aspect ratio you want to change. For me it's this video. As you can see, this video is in 16:9, but let's imagine you want to change this to 9:16, which is the aspect ratio of a TikTok video. First of all, make sure that the video is not selected. If it is selected, it will have a blue border around it. To unselect it, you have to press on the video. When nothing is selected, you can change the aspect ratio by clicking on aspect ratio in the bottom right of the screen. Once you have done this, you can choose your desired aspect ratio. I want to make a TikTok video, so I will go with the 9:16 ratio. But as you can see, it doesn't really fit the new format. To make it fit, you have to zoom in. You can do this by simply pinching out with 2 fingers, just like I'm doing now. And that's how you can change the aspect ratio on CapCut Mobile. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.